You just won yourselves a motorcycle.
Man, you're bending the hell out of that kickstand, Dad. Why don't you just take it for a ride?
Promise you won't laugh?
Yeah, I promise.
I don't know how.
You're kidding.
Will you teach me?
Of course. Later, Homer.
The sermon today is on John 4:13. Blessed are those. Church dismissed.
Will you turn that engine off?
Quiet, Marge. The motorcycle and I are trying to sleep. You know, if you want to be in the gang, eventually you're going to have to get motorcycles.
Hey, Homer, can I join?
This gang's for rebels, Flanders, not conformos.
Yeah, buzz off.